So, namaste everyone. Today we are going to talk about Sirsasana. The Sirsasana, according to Hatha Yoga, is known as a king of the posture. It has a lot of benefit, but there are some important benefit which I wanted to talk about it. So, whenever our body is going to perform an inverted posture, the body is start taking all the tensions out from the body. According to the physiology, when we go to perform the inverted pose, our hypothalamus gland is going to get active, or you can say that it's going to is stimulated. So hypothalamus gland is important to release the tension, to make us our calm. So all the inverted postures are going to work from that. So one of the inverted posture we are going to perform the Sirsasana. Who's supposed to not perform this Sirsasana? If you are a woman and you are in your monthly cycle, please do not perform that, because according to Ayurveda, it's disturb our apana vayu. So we need to check about it. And number second, if the person have a cervical spondylosis or anything related to the neck injury, for that we have props. They can perform by taking a support. And if you are overweighted, because this posture is known as an intermediate to advanced posture, so we should not let the beginners to perform this posture. And next, please perform this posture against the wall if you are not expert on it. So what we have to do, we have to go to the perform Baddha Sirsasana. For that we have to interlock the finger, but you might see my pinky finger is down. So whenever we are going to perform the Sirsasana, we supposed to tuck the pinky finger inward. So you can see now the base is clear. So this is the position we have to place. And number second, why the triangle is also known as a king of the posture, because we are making a triangle shape over there. So for that we have to sit down on the floor and drop our elbow on the ground. First you can perform from the tabletop position, and from tabletop position drop your elbows down and hold your elbow. So this is going to give us a shoulder distance apart, and then interlock your finger, tuck your pinky finger inward and drop your palm on the ground. Slowly we have to tuck our head inward and try to use the crown part of your head, use it and slowly walk. And walk till this much, so your ear and shoulder must be in one line. So this is for the beginner. Those are the beginner. They first perform one leg and then slowly take the weight on the shoulder. And then if they are okay over here, perform knee 90 degree. If it is possible, bring the knee upward and then slowly lift your both legs up. Slowly, if you can perform this posture, is going to be really good. But as you can see, I'm taking my support from the shoulder, because I can rotate my neck backward. It means the weight is in my shoulder right now. Slowly, gradually, when you're done, slowly come down. Remember that we have to normalize the blood circulation, so we should go to the child pose. In child pose, take a couple of breath here naturally. Normalize your breath as well, because your blood pressure has been increased. Then slowly take a long breath in, and gently, vertebrae by vertebrae, slowly come all the way up. And then we can do to the palm tree pose. To straight your arm and stretch your arm upward. Exhale, relax. That we should perform always inverted pose at the end of the class. Why? Because when we go to the perform the Sirsasana in the last, it's increase our blood circulation towards to our nervous system, so we feel energetic, as you can see me now. So that is important. So this is about the Sirsasana. In the next video, we're going to talk about the adjustment of Sirsasana, how we can apply the block, how we can apply the posture, how we can apply the weight. For till now, stay tuned. Thank you.